Good evening again, everybody. Eric White of Vintiques of Maine here. I'm going to do episode 7.5, quotation marks, of 3 figures to 6 figures, because I bought some stuff in an auction last night, or Monday night rather, that I just wanted to share real quick, because it's more along the lines of episode 7 of buying basic stuff cheap and selling it high. So I'm going to talk about some of the stuff here. I bought a big pile of books. There's more books in the pile. Where are they? There's some there. Those ones. And I lost the good ones. And in there. Anyways, I paid $35 for the whole stack of books. Just like these 2 books right here will get me more than that back, which is really cool. So don't discount books. Just make sure they're the right ones and old ones. Do your research. Use your phone at auctions. Other cool stuff I bought. There was all these Trains magazines. I have several hundred of them in here. Railroad magazine and stuff like that. In this banana box here, there was several hundred of them. I bought that whole box for $10. I'm going to list these up, and I'm probably going to start them all at $10 on a buy it now and just see what happens, you know. Yeah, it takes time and everything, but that's what we pay ourselves for, right? And then same thing with this box here, the model railroader one. There's got to be 200 books in there, maybe 125. I don't know. I feel like it's a lot because I was researching them all, and it's quite a bit. Anyways, I'm gonna start those out at $10 too and see what happens. Over here, this little flat here, I paid $5 for this little flat, and there ended up not being too much in it, but just a couple old railroad type books and a couple railroad magazines. So that wasn't horrible. This lot underneath is some wicked weird books. They are, antique publication of the United States Geological Survey relating to groundwater, 1854, S.D. Warren to 1954, surface water supply books for different counties. What's cool is I couldn't find these exact counties, but I paid $10 for the box lot, just taking a chance, and I'm telling you, there's some money in there to be made. People in some other counties were paying like $35 to $40 for some of those older books. So my counties that I have may not be as good, but whatever. And then I bought this box lot right here. I paid $25 for this box. Excuse the camera on this video. Move this over to my packing station right here for a second. There's all these Maine Central Railroad magazines in there, and we took pictures of them today, and there's 177 pictures, so divide that by 2 because we took front and back pictures. A lot of little magazines in there. We're going to put those up there at $10 a piece too, and we're going to see what happens. But I think we'll do okay on them, and I just wanted to kind of share that. And like I said, I've been getting more into paper. I bought this book here too. It's just a lot of old railroad photos. Obviously, you can tell this auction I went to revolved a lot around railroad stuff. And then this one, it's all street trolleys and stuff like that. The street trolley photos ended up being reproduction photos. And the railroad photos ended up being real photos, which is pretty cool. So, that's all I wanted to talk about real quick. For 65, 75, 85, 95... basically $105 or $110, I got a lot of stuff to list. There's probably an easy 400 listings right there for under $100 or a little over $100. So be aware of that type of stuff and look for those lots like that. Those lots do hold gems and treasures. You'll find like one magazine in there that one issue is selling for $45 or in these lots of books here, you'll have one book that's selling for $35 or $40. So very important to keep your eyes open for these types of lots. And just do your research on them, kind of look them up, get a general synopsis of what they're selling for. I'm not saying look up individual books and individual magazines at the auction, but if you see a box of, Railroader magazine books, look them up. You got a phone, use it. Just look for that type of stuff. Anyways, peace out again. We'll see you on episode 8 of 3 Figures, 2 6 Figures. Bye.